Welcome to 11844 Mino Rio, located in a quiet, well-established neighborhood in Summerlin, Las Vegas. I'm Jake Burkett with Real Broker, your trusted resource for all things real estate. Today, I'm walking through a home that blends everyday convenience with comfort and modern living. One of the standout features of this location is its walkability. From here, you're just a short walk to Vassilidis Elementary School and Fox Hill Park, making this an ideal setting for those who value nearby schools, green space, and an active outdoor lifestyle. As you step inside, you're greeted by an open and inviting layout that creates a natural flow between the living, dining, and entertaining spaces. High ceilings and generous windows all around allow natural light to fill the home, giving every room a bright and airy feel throughout the day. The main living area is both spacious and comfortable, making it perfect for everyday living while still offering the flexibility to host friends and family with ease. This space connects seamlessly to the kitchen, which truly serves as the heart of the home. The kitchen is thoughtfully designed with ample counter space, modern finishes, and plenty of storage, ideal whether preparing a quiet meal at home or entertaining on a larger scale. Just off the main living area, the outdoor space extends the home's functionality and creates a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Whether it's morning coffee, weekend gatherings, or simply enjoying the Las Vegas weather, this space offers flexibility and room to customize to your lifestyle. The primary suite provides a private retreat within the home, featuring a spacious bedroom and a well-appointed bathroom designed for relaxation and comfort. It's a space that feels calm, functional, and set apart from the rest of the home. Additional bedrooms are generously sized and versatile, perfect for guests, a home office, or a creative space depending on your needs, while maintaining a cohesive design throughout the home. If you're searching for a home for sale in Las Vegas with walkable schools, nearby parks, and a functional open layout, this could be the one. For pricing, availability, and to schedule a private showing, reach out to me directly. And for more Las Vegas home tours, new listings, and local real estate insight, be sure to subscribe and explore the full videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.